You won't believe it. You simply will not accept this as true. But I've released even more royalty-free sound effects, completely free. A few months ago, I put out a third volume of sound effects and forgot to make a video about it. Now I've got a fourth volume. When will it end? The third volume includes 2,000 sounds of beads and sand, household doors and drawers, ice, rips, and slime. This new fourth volume includes 2,000 sounds of hits and crunches, tunes, plus writing and typing. Just listen to all the sounds. Download them for free and use them in your own projects, both personal and commercial, with no crediting required. All 4 libraries together brings the full FilmCow sound collection to 10,000 sound effects. That's too many. Blah, blah, blah.